Now in this one we'll be covering classes in CSS. Now classes are a group of rules that gets applied to any element wherever that class is applied. For instance, if I have to create a class, let's call that class as a bordered class. So I'll say bordered, and in this case I'll be providing some attribute like border, and over here I can say solid 1 pixel, and then I can provide a color to it. Let's call it as black. We can just write the color black, and next we can also specify a border radius. Now here the border radius, let's call it as 2 pixels, and save this. Now I have a class which contains these two attributes, and if I have to apply this on any of the elements, I can simply copy this class name, and let's go to our page now. Over here let's see where we can put it to see it in action. Now in the header, if you see, we have an image, and over here I can go ahead and say class equals, this is the class that I want to apply. Now if I run this one in browser, and if you look closely over here, the logo that we were showing is now having a border with a radius. Now the cool thing with classes is that you can put it wherever you feel like, or you have a requirement. So I can remove it from here, and I can put it on a form, for instance over here, and I can see it in action. Let's reload this page now, and you can see the form now contains a border and border radius. Similarly, I can create more than one class. So here, if I was having one class, I can also create a form class, and in this I can put, let's say, font weight as bold or bolder, and font size as, or let's say color as navy, and save this. Now if I have to apply this form on this form tag, I can just go ahead and apply it along with the other class that I had. So you can see I can have more than one classes mentioned within the class attribute itself. So I have a form class, I have a bordered class. Let's save this and run our page now, and you can see now the color has changed to navy now within the form. So that's how easy it is to create a class in CSS and apply it to different HTML elements. And the benefit of having a class is that you can write certain rules which match a different business logic or criteria, and accordingly you can apply it to those set of elements.